Meghan Markle and Prince Harry have gone exceptionally grand with their California starter house, purchasing a $15 million estate in the heart of Posh Montecito, the Seaside, Santa Barbara County enclave that is famously home to a slew of Hollywood heavyweights. The public documents reveal that the Duke and Duchess of Sussex secured a $9.5 million mortgage to acquire the 7-acre compound, which is securely tucked away on a private, gated street. Despite the unquestionably hefty price tag, it could be argued Meghan and Harry scored the property at a discount of sorts. The seller, low-profile Russian businessman Sergei Grishin, acquired the estate in 2009 for $25 million and had attempted to sell it many times over the past decade for as high as $50 million before finally accepting a $10 million plus financial loss. A wide lane paved with hand-cut Santa Barbara stone leads past cypress trees and rose gardens and through a grand archway, arriving at this 18,671 square foot residence known as the Chateau at Riven Rock. Built in 2003, the Mediterranean Tuscan-inspired main house includes a trove of beige and off-white decor, plus a library, gym, separate wet and dry saunas, an elevator, arcade, game room, and home theater. There's also a detached guest house with 2 bedrooms and bathrooms. Altogether, the estate boasts nearly 19,000 square feet of living space with a total of 9 bedrooms and a whopping 16 bathrooms. That the property additionally offers a tea house, a children's cottage, and exceptionally beautiful manicured grounds that boast tiered rose gardens, century-old olive trees, and tall Italian cypress trees that likely cost a small fortune to maintain, a full-size tennis court, lap lane swimming pool, and a notably elaborate built-in children's play set are among the numerous other outdoor amenities. Montecito may be located a full 2 hours northwest of downtown LA by car, but celebrities have flocked to the area in recent years. The neighborhood's laid-back and mostly paparazzi-free atmosphere provides a welcome retreat from the hectic hustle of Hollywood and its surrounding environs. Current area residents include Gwyneth Paltrow, Ellen DeGeneres, Ariana Grande, and Oprah Winfrey, whose nearly 70-acre Promised Land compound qualifies as one of Southern California's most lavish estates.